Welcome to the RMail Feature Explained video short series on the RMail app for Gmail. In this video, we will review the installation process and the RMail features from within the Gmail Compose page by installing the RMail Chrome browser extension. To start, log on to the rmail.com website, click on Apps, and you'll be brought to the Apps Marketplace. Scroll down for the tile that says RMail for Gmail, and it will open up the RMail apps page for Gmail with some information. And when you're ready to install it, click on Add RMail to Gmail. When you're logged into Gmail, the Chrome Web Store will automatically bring you to the RMail for Gmail page where you can click the button Add to Chrome. A pop-up will appear where you click Add Extension, and you'll see a pop-up that comes up that shows that the RMail for Gmail has been added to Chrome. When you go back to your Gmail inbox, you'll see a pop-up where you need to click Activate. You click on your account and then scroll down to allow the standard Gmail authorizations. Now, when you compose a new email, you'll see on the Compose page, there's a quick tutorial you can toggle through, and when you're done, you now have the Send Registered button, along with the shortcuts to track Improve, Encrypt, eSign, SideNote, and PDF Convert. Now let's see how it works. After you compose an email, you can press the Send Registered button, which will pop up all of the RMail features, or if you are looking for a specific feature, you can click the shortcut in the lower toolbar. On the pop-up, you will see 5 tabs. The Track Improve tab allows you to send registered email messages marked or unmarked, or the option to select the Register Reply feature. You can encrypt emails using the automatic or custom mode. You can send documents for electronic signature. You can add a private note to just the copied or blind copied recipients. Or you can convert Microsoft Office documents to PDF en route. Once you make your selection, press the Send Registered button and the email is sent. Please note there are many settings available to configure the Gmail app to your needs. To do that, you can click the Settings button, which allows you to set defaults for the different features. Once you set your defaults, press the Save button and the settings pop-up will close. Make sure you view videos on the registered receipt email and all of the other RMail features to learn more about Track Improve, encryption, eSign, and more. Thank you for listening.